Namaste. Today in this podcast of Get Right to Education, we will listen about Yoga for Health. Let's start. Yoga is one of the most ancient sciences of India. It offers a time-trusted technique for physical, mental and spiritual development. It constitutes an important aspect of human life. It is considered to be a science as ancient as the human race. Yoga has capacity to bring about fundamental transformation in the individual. Yoga is a holistic exercise that provides physical, mental as well as spiritual benefits. It provides workout for the muscles. It also benefits joints, ligaments and the skeletal system by improving flexibility and balance. It is good for heart and stimulates the cardiovascular system. It oxygenates the blood and helps strengthen the heart. It is good for the digestive system, the nervous system and supports the respiratory system. It enables the various endocrine glands to function properly and reduces tension and anxiety. If you suffer from insomnia, yoga will help you to sleep well. Thus, yoga is useful in many psychophysical ailments. Surya Namaskar is an ancient form of yoga. This form of yoga is a complete meditative technique. It includes asanas and pranayam. It is a combination of 12 different postures followed in a particular sequence with a specific breathing pattern. It helps an individual to vitalize and unblocks the whole system. It reduces fat from almost all parts of body as it stretches and tones each and every muscle. How to practice Surya Namaskar? There are 12 postures or positions in Surya Namaskar. Their benefits are described in the brackets. First, stand with your feet together and palm folded in front of your chest. Close your eyes properly. Promotes balance. Stimulates the respiratory system. Exercise shoulder, back and neck muscles. Second, raise your arms over your head and shoulders with the palms touching each other and biceps touching your ears. Stretch your abdomen as much as possible and lean backwards. Promotes balance, promotes digestion, exercise arms and shoulder muscles, turns and spine, promotes flexibility in backs and hips. Third, bend forward and place your palms at the side of your feet. Touch your knee with forehead and exhale deeply. Promotes blood circulation, tones abdominal tracts, stretches backs and leg muscles, stimulates spinal nerves and stimulates lymphatic system. 4. Take one leg back and place the other leg in the front of with palm firm on the ground. Raise your head and inhale. Exercise spine, strengthens hand and wrist muscles. Fifth, bring the leg that was in front next to the other one and keep the hips off the floor with both your hands supporting the body in a push-up position and exhale. Stimulates blood circulation, strengthen the heart, strengthen the wrist and arms muscles, relieves neck and shoulder tension. Sixth, lower your knees, chest and forehead with your palm firmly on the ground next to your chest and elbow bent upwards. Hold your breath here. Strengthen leg and arm muscles, increase flexibility in neck and shoulders, stretches arms, shoulder, neck and back muscles, exercise back muscles, releases tension in neck and shoulders. 7th, lower your waist and raise your upper body. Look upwards and keep your arms straight. Then inhale at a slow pace. Stimulate circulation to abdominal organs, tones digestive tract, stretches upper and lower body, promotes flexibility in the back and stimulates nerve in the spine. 8th, raise your hips and bring your head to the floor with eyes on the navel and heel on the floor. This position will exactly look like an inverted V. Then exhale. Stimulates blood circulation, strengthens the heart, strengthens wrist and arm muscles, relieves neck and shoulder tension. 9th, in this step, the posture is the same as the 4th step and inhale. Exercise spine, strengthen hand and wrist muscle. In this step, the posture is the same as the 3rd step and exhale. Promotes blood circulation, turns abdominal tract, stretches back and leg muscles, stimulates spinal nerves and stimulates lymphatic system. 11th, The stage is the same as the second stage and inhale promotes balance, promotes digestion, exercise arms and shoulder muscles, turns and spine, promotes flexibility in back and hips. 12th, this stage marks the final stage of Surya Namaskar and it is similar to the first stage. You have to breathe normally here, promotes balance, stimulates respiratory system, exercise shoulder, back and neck muscles.